That feels like an insult. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I make my intros in less than 10 minutes. The intro that I have going right now, which I'll just play right now. You got my heart, got my mind. I think about you all the time. So that intro took me about 10 minutes to make, and it was really easy. I just want to show you what I do. So the first thing I go to, I need an image. So I will go to whatever image I want. Let me think. I'm gonna just say aesthetic. I can't spell. Images. Yikes. I don't like any of these. I want something that's not... What is this? Do y'all know what that is? I don't like it. Do y'all like my case, by the way? I think it's so cute. They're the Garbage Pail Kids. They're so cute. Okay, we're just gonna use this. I don't even care at this point. So you want to like zoom in on the image and make sure it's high quality. I think this one's pretty high quality. So you just want to save that. And then you're gonna go into an app called Fonto right here. And what you want to do, so you want to bring up that image and hit done, unless you want to put a filter on it, but I think I'm not going to do that. So then you just are going to add text, and you want to put, well, what I do is put my username, so ericamphelps, and I use the font Helvetica New Bold Italic. I don't know what that, if that's how you say it. I feel like that's a very trendy font right now. So, but you can also just look, they have tons of fonts. Then I go to the move and I hit these right here. This centers it in the middle, and so I want it completely centered. And then shoot, I'm gonna have to make it bigger. And if you want to do this thing that I think is cool, where you go to style, and then you go to at the top where it says color and style, you go to style, and then you do shadow, and then I'm gonna do a black shadow, and I'm gonna turn the alpha all the way up and the blur all the way down. Then you can kind of offset it with this X and Y to where you want it. And then you might want to just make sure it's recentered still. I'm going to go to this little box and save image as PNG. Then I'm going to hit text again, and I'm going to say subscribe with a smiley face. And I'm going to center that one, and I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to go into LumaFusion, which is the editing app I use. I highly recommend it if you don't want to edit on your computer. I don't know, just something about editing on my computer. I hate it. Like I can't. I'm just not familiar with using my computer. So I love LumaFusion. It is about $30. It does almost everything that Final Cut Pro does. I love it so much. And it's just a cheaper alternative, you know. So you can totally use iMovie for this. Either way, it's gonna work the same. You wanna start a new project, and you're gonna put your images in there like that, okay? Now you need to go to SoundCloud, Spotify, whatever you want. I'm gonna go to SoundCloud, and I'm gonna do that TikTok song that's like, ooh girl, look at him, by Playboi Carti. And then I'm going to screen record this, but I'm already screen recording, so. Oh boy, look at him. Yeah. Oh boy, look at him. Yeah. I'm so proud of him. We're going to use, let's just use this song that I did, this song I did for mine. So I'm going to screen record this. You be having me on that sweet shit. You got my heart, got my mind. I think about you all the time. You shoot my blood pressure through the sky. Now I'm going to go put this audio into my project, and I'm going to have to go all the way down because it's the audio of this entire video. And crop it how I want it to where it's timed right. And then I want to make that other beat is when the subscribe is going to hit. So I'm going to drag this to that beat. Okay. Oh, I did not time that right. It's delayed. Okay. And then I'm gonna cut both of these. And then just save that and you're pretty much done. Photos. And then let's go watch it. You got my heart, got my mind. I think about you all the time. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next video. Please subscribe.
You got my heart, got my mind. I think about you all the time.